Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox without ID. Alright, let's begin. Go to the Roblox website and sign in. Click the gear icon at the top, then select Settings. On the app, select More, then open Settings. Select Privacy or Privacy and Content Maturity. Under Content Maturity, move the slider to Moderate. The setting will save automatically. Switch to Account Info, locate email address, and verify your email if needed. Next, go to Phone Number and click Add Phone. Select your location for the correct area code, then enter your phone number and click Continue. A verification code will be sent to your phone. Enter the code in the verification box and click Continue. Your phone number should now show as verified under Account Info. Go back to Privacy and Content Maturity and select Communication. Under Voice Chat, turn on Enable Microphone. If you don't see this option, refresh the page or restart the app. Voice chat is available in select countries, including the US, Canada, and the UK. If you meet the requirements but don't see voice chat, ensure your account is set to 13+, and both your email and phone are verified. Try signing out, reinstalling Roblox, or contacting support. So that's basically how you can get voice chat on Roblox without ID. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.